Hello, welcome to a quick guide on how to revise for maths. First of all, we've got three websites: Maths Watch, Maths DIY, and Revised GCSE Maths. I'm going to start with Maths Watch. Log in, and once you've finished logging in, go to this videos icon here. This will take you and show you a video of a selected topic. You can click in here, start typing solving, and I can see I've got solving inequalities in there. I can then click and watch this video. Once I've finished, I have a set of worksheets and I can answer these questions then. These will follow the same setup as what you have seen on the video. There are also interactive questions you can click, and this takes you to an immediate set, including some standard and some harder questions. Go back to the videos section, either by pressing back or the videos, to start searching again. On Maths DIY, as you can see here, I would go to GCSE Maths or Resources. Resources has questions by topic. You can search in here, and again you have a search bar. So if this time we wanted to look for standard form, I can start typing in standard form, and it gives me two sets of questions along with solutions. I can click on one of these to open up a set of questions. I can then look through these, answer them, and once I've got some answers, check the solutions in here. If I need to revise for my GCSEs, I would go into GCSE Maths, and I have a set of numeracy papers all set out, so higher tier, then intermediate, then foundation. I can click on any one of these. I have a worked set of solutions and a mark scheme. The same is then true for maths past papers. There are maths past papers here with solutions and mark schemes. If I want to look at topics, I have booklets for maths. This is for my non-numeracy exam, of questions and solutions, again with the search bar. The same is true for numeracy. So anything in the numeracy set that you would need to work on is in here. Finally, we have the option of going to Revised GCSE Maths. Once you open the website, it will be here, or you will land here. I have three sets here: foundation, intermediate, and higher. So if I was to click foundation, this shows me the topics that I would need to be able to complete. As I go up, naturally the list of topics gets larger, and I can click on any one of these. So in this case, simultaneous equations, and I can see a list of questions that I can attempt here. So let's open this one. Here is the question I get given, and I can attempt this for 5 marks. I can then go back to the questions, and once I have my solution, I can open up the mark scheme and so I can keep going through each one of these. There are also past papers where I can open up each of the past papers. As you can see, there's a mark scheme that is attached with each of these. If you can't find the mark scheme attached for the questions in here, simply go here, find the appropriate paper and the mark scheme. If you have any difficulty accessing any of these resources, please speak to your maths teacher, particularly if you have trouble logging onto Maths Watch. They will be able to help you and make sure you have login details that are correct. Have fun revising.